Welcome to Tobor technology. In modern inspection, precision isn't a luxury, it's the standard. Tobor has integrated high-tier LiDAR sensors to supercharge our inspection robots. Now, you get more than just a camera feed, you get a complete digital twin. No more entering hazardous zones, Tobor Robot handles the mapping while you stay safe. Pinpoint accuracy, zero risk. This is the new edge in inspection. Tobor's LiDAR interface is engineered for the modern operator, intuitive, responsive, and ultra-low latency. Tobor has eliminated complexity so the focus stays entirely on the data. Whether on desktop or mobile, the system syncs perfectly with the robot's movement. Just drive slow, stay steady, and watch Tobor turn raw laser points into a high-definition floor plan in real time. Forget manual measurements. Tobor's toolkit allows you to calculate distances and area polygons instantly. Need to verify a room's square footage or a pipe's length? Just plot your points. Switch between meters and feet on the fly. It's professional-grade surveying, simplified. When the job is done, Tobor enables effortless report exports in multiple formats, from AutoCAD files for engineers to detailed PDF reports for clients. Every document provides clear, real-world metrics, ensuring total transparency and precision. Thank you for watching. To experience the future of inspection firsthand, sign up for a Tobor test drive at the address on your screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest from Tobor technology.